Hello guys, we're back again with another video. I hope you all are well and you will enjoy my video very much. I will keep bringing such videos on channel. Follow the channel. Today we are trading in US dollar versus Japanese yen. We'll use trendline support strategy in this pair, also known as trendline retracement strategy. Guys, today we will do analysis first. Trades will apply later because we have a lot of time. Here the market trend is an uptrend since last 7 days, due to which we have got the opportunity of buying here. We'll apply this trend line on higher low where the market is going up, taking support on the trend line, due to which the market is following this trend line very well. We'll place the second trend line on higher high with same angle. The market has reversed to the downside, taking this trend line as resistance. This is where our trend channel complete. The market is currently moving in this trend channel, so that we can see the perfect higher high higher low points, so that it will be easy for us to do further analysis. Market is finally taking support at this point where good opportunities of buying are being created. Now we have to draw strong support resistance level by which we will be able to find out the exact reverse position of the market, by which we will know in advance where the market will reverse and where will rest. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level, due to which the market has respected this level. All these support resistance points are very important. At all these points you can see that the market has reversed again and again, from which we will see the support resistance points. Going forward we will see at reverse points. Here market has created resistance, become support pattern where the market first took resistance and later made it support, due to which we have got to see a good move towards above. Market has created multiple support points even further. This tells us that this is a strong support resistance level where the market reverses frequently. High probability chance the market will go up from here. Here we can see a good move to the upside. Guys, our analysis is complete. We are taking the analysis in the right direction. Now I am applying trade because market is stuck in right place. I am increasing the lot size here. This lot size is calculated by me. You should also know your risk before taking a trade so that you can follow proper risk management. I apply for all the trades and meet the guys after some time. Guys, our trade has been applied very well. Here we are running loss around $80, which we are going to grow with proper risk management. So far our analysis and trades have been applied in the right direction. Let's now find the stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 24 pips down, which will be outside the trend channel and will be below the strong support resistance level. We will close the trade if the trendline breakout occurs here. And target point will be up 48 pips where the market made higher high earlier. This time I hope we can see a move above this as we analyzed. Guys, our loss has reduced. The market is slowly starting to go up. Here we have to wait for profit with full patience. We have applied stop loss and target point. Here we are using risk to reward ratio 1:2 so that we can get good profit. Here you can clearly see the stop loss and target point. We will not close the trade until the stop loss or target is hit. We have used this strategy many times. We got good results. The hope is that we will get to see profit in this trade as well. This is our high probability trade. Guys, like if you like the video. See you in a while. Till then, enjoy the video.
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse, I need the views to boost.
Very nice, guys. We have been hit brilliantly. Our analysis was correct, due to which we got to see the move in the same direction. Due to the strong uptrend of the market here, our target was hit in 9 hours. This was our very good trade with high chances of profit. There are always more chances of making profit in the direction in which the market is moving. Our target level was at this level, which has been hit. Right now the market is going way above this. We had all the level perfect draws. If your levels are correct draw, then your psychology will also be better, which will give you the confidence to hold the trade. Here I will draw another rectangle level. The market came to this level earlier but reversed from here. Now again the market is trying to break this level. From here we can see a good move to the upside because the market is breaking this level and going up. Come on guys, let's close the trade. Our goal is achieved. Guys, we are currently running profit around $5,500. We deposited $3,000 into this account, which has been converted to $8,000. Here we followed proper risk management and right psychology, so that we can see very good results. Guys, we managed the trade very well and followed the rules. If you like the video, then share it. See you in the next video.
The next morning.